Morning YouTube, just another day, day 4 of our intermittent fasting weight loss journey. Feeling pretty good this morning. Going to do 30 minutes on the air assault bike, 30 reps of push-ups, 30 reps of sit-ups, and I think I'm gonna start doing some pull-ups today. I woke up feeling good, so we'll see. I got this pull-up bar, one you put over your door. And I think I'm gonna do like maybe 5 reps of those. I hadn't done pull-ups in forever, so I think I'm gonna start implementing that on the daily. Get this workout in. Hope you guys are doing good and being safe. And chat with you soon. All right, YouTube. Got this workout in. I actually got some pull-ups in today. Did 5 of those. Hadn't done those in a hot minute. Got 5 pull-ups. Did my 30 minutes on the air assault bike. 30 push-ups and 30 crunches. Good day. It's Saturday. It's day 4. Going pretty good. It's hot as all get out here in the dirty South. Supposed to be like in the 90s today. So remember to drink water and watch these calories and get some protein. But I hope you guys are doing good, being safe, and accomplishing your goals. All right. You guys have a good weekend. I'll see you later on.